Hello my dear students, welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session we will discuss the remaining exercise questions, that is exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1 question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass panes, including base, held together with tape. It is 30 cm long, 25 cm wide and 25 cm high. First sub question is, what is the area of the glass? Second sub question, how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? Okay, then in this question it is given that the indoor greenhouse is in the shape of a cuboid. Length, breadth and height are given. Then in the question it is also mentioned that it is made entirely of glass panes including base. Including base means top and bottom. Okay, so here we have to find the total surface area of the cuboid. According to the question, L equal 30 cm, B equal 25 cm and H equal 25 cm. If all the measures are same, then only it will be a cube. Here all the measures are not same, so it is a cuboid. So here we have to find TSA. So what is TSA of a cuboid? That is equal 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Then we have to substitute the values. So it is equal 2 into 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 30 into 25. It is equal 2 into 750 plus 625 plus 750. 2 into 2125. That is equal 4250 centimeter square. This is the TSA of the cuboid. That means the area of the glass required to make this greenhouse equal 4250 centimeter square. Now the second sub question is, how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? Okay, so in this question it is mentioned that all the glass panes held together with the tape. Okay, all the edges held together with tape. So here we have to find the total tape required for all the 12 edges. That 12 edges means 4 edges are same as length, 4 edges are same as breadth, 4 edges are same as height. That means the total tape required for all the 12 edges equal 4L plus 4B plus 4H. Then that we can express as 4 into L plus B plus H. 4 is the common factor that we can take outside. That is equal 4 into L plus B plus H. Then we can substitute the values of L as 30, B as 25 and H is also 25. Then that is equal 4 into 80. That is equal 320 centimeter. Okay, here the unit is only centimeter. So how much tape is required to this 320 centimeter. Now exercise 13.1 question number 7. Shanti Sweets stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions 25 cm by 20 cm by 5 cm and the smaller of dimensions 15 cm by 12 cm by 5 cm. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, then find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. In this question, it is given that two types of boxes were required. That measures are also given. From that given measures, we should identify that two boxes are in the shape of cuboid. One is the bigger one and the other is the smaller one. Okay. According to the question, they have to make two types of boxes. Okay. So, for making the bigger box, how much cardboard is required? That we have to find first. For that, we have to find total surface area of the bigger box using the equation TSA of cuboid. In the case of bigger box, length is given as 25 cm, breadth is given as 20 cm, and height is given as 5 cm. Okay, so here we have to find TSA. Okay, TSA of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Then we have to substitute the values. That is 2 into 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 25 into 5. That is 2 into 500 plus 100 plus 125. That is equal to 2 into 725. So we will get that is 1450 centimeters square. So for making one big box, they required 1450 centimeters square of cardboard. But in the question it is mentioned that 5% of total surface area is required for overlapping. So here we have to find what is the 5% of total surface area of one big box. That is 5% of TSA. 5% of TSA, that is equal 5 by 100 into 1450. That we want to simplify by cutting method. You should practice this cutting method. Okay. Then this 10 and 5 twice. Then this 2 and 145. 7. 2 2s are 4. 0.10 5. So 72.5 centimeter. This is required for centimeter square. This is required for overlapping. 72.5 centimeter square is required for what? Overlapping. So the total area of the cardboard required for making one bigger box equal 1450 plus 72.5. That is equal 1522.5 centimeter square. According to the question, it is given that the cost of cardboard per 1000 centimeter square is rupees 4. So here the cost of the cardboard for making one big box equal 4 into 1522.5 by 1000. When we multiply 4 into 1522.5, then we will get 6090. Then it is by 1000 equal 6.09. This is rupees cost. So it will be rupees 6.09. It is the cost for making one big box. So the cost of making 250 big boxes equal 6.09 into 250. That is equal 1522.50. Rupees 1522.50. In the same way, we have to find the smaller box. Okay. According to the question, the measures of the smaller box is given as length equal 15 centimeter, breadth equal 12 centimeter, and height equal 5 centimeter. So here also we have to find TSA. That is TSA equal 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Substitute the values, then we get 2 into 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 15 into 5. that is equal 2 into 180 plus 60 plus 75 equal 2 into 315, that is equal 630 centimeter square. So for making the small box, how much cardboard is required? 630 centimeter square. But for overlapping, 5% of TSA is required. So for overlapping, how much area we required? 5% of 630. That is equal 5 by 100 into 630. Then we can do the cutting method. That is equal what? 31.5. So 31.5 centimeter square we required for overlapping. For the total area or total cardboard required is what? The 630 plus 31.5. That is equal 661.5 centimeter square. Then we have to find the cost of the cardboard required for making one small box. For that, it is already given that per 1000 centimeter square, what is the rupees? What is the cost of a cardboard? That is rupees 4. Okay. So here how we will get the cost of the cardboard required for? Cost of the cardboard required for a small box, that is equal 4 into 661.5, 4 into 661.5 by 1000. Then 4 into 661.5 becomes 2646. 2646. Then it is divided by 1000. That is equal 2.646. This is rupees. For one small box, how much required? Rupees 2.646. So here we have to make 250. So what is the cost of 250 such boxes? That is 250 into 2.646. 250 into 2.646. That is equal rupees 661.50. So the total cost of making 250 boxes of each kind equal 1522.50 plus 661.50. That is equal 2184 rupees. 2184. Now exercise 13.1 question number 8. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with a tarpaulin that covers all the 4 sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with the base dimensions 4 meter by 3 meter? So according to the question, the dimensions of the temporary shelter are L equal 4 meter, B equal 3 meter and height H equal 2.5 meter. Then here she needed to make a temporary shelter for her car, which is in the shape of a cuboid. 4 sides and top she need to cover. So the total area of the tarpaulin required is LSA plus base area, because in the question it is already mentioned that its 4 sides and top need to be covered. No need to cover the bottom. So here we have to find LSA plus base area. So here the total tarpaulin required to make the shelter equal LSA plus base area. That base means top. So that is 2 into H into L plus B plus LB. Then we have to substitute the values. That is 2 into 2.5 into 4 plus 3 plus 4 into 3. That is equal 2 into 2.5 into 7 plus 12 equal 35 plus 12 equal 47 meter square. So here the total tarpaulin required to make the shelter equal 47 meter square. Now we have completed this exercise 13.1. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.